to chapter 9. Chapter 8 is a short chapter. Chapter 9 is a short chapter. That's why we blend them. Okay, so here we go. This is called linear inequalities. Inequalities means things like this. Greater than, less than, greater than and equal to, less than or equal to. But you'll see we're going to end up playing around with these things quite a bit. And I'll show you how they work when we're starting to talk about lines. And eventually we're going to start talking about, quadratics, you betcha. We're going to end up with quadratic inequalities as well. So how does this work? Well, you know what? Let's do a quick warm up here. Let's see if we remember how to graph something like this. Okay? Remember, there's your slope, right? There's your intercept. That's your y-intercept. So let's graph this. So you got a rise over run here of -2 is your rise. Your run here, okay, is 3. And then let's start. So first things first, put the 6 down. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's your point. There's your y-intercept. Your rise is down to 1, 2, and over 3. 1, 2, 3. And you'd have a beautiful graph that looks just like that. Awesome. Hopefully that's something that you're familiar with. If you are stuck on how to do something like this, go back to Math 10C podcasts on this channel and watch the graphing part. That's in chapter 6. Learn how to do this. Just watch the last few in chapter 6. It'll really help you out. Okay, so let's look at this one now. Check this one out. What if this is in this form? Well, changing this into y equals mx plus b becomes an incredible mess, so you might want to use the intercept method. Intercept method, right? X-intercept. Y equals to 0. Let's go. Y equals to 0. That's gone, leaving you 2x minus 20 equals to 0. Bring the 20 over to the other side. 2x equals to 20. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. Guess what? X equals to 10. That's your y-intercept. Same thing goes with this mess. Look, let's do it one more time. If we're going to do the y-intercept, remember, x equals to 0. So if x equals to 0, that's gone, leaving you with 5y minus 20 equals to 0. Bring the 20 over, 5y equals to 20. Divide by 5, divide by 5. Y, of course, now equals to 4. So there's your two intercepts. I kind of prefer this method sometimes over the y equals mx plus b method. Okay, so here we go. X is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 out here, and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and your graph is going to look exactly like this. There's your introduction to the two methods of graphing. You have to know this cold if you're going to do this next section like holy smokes fast.